Hello. Are you thinking about selling your home, but you're hesitant to hire a realtor? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about some tips on selling your home and how to do that without a realtor. But we'll also address why it may not be such a bad idea. Here's tip one: prepare your home for the sale. It may seem really obvious, but you want to put first things first and make sure that your home is in tip top shape to attract potential buyers. You'll want to declutter, clean, and stage your home to showcase its best features. Remember, first impressions matter. Tip two: make sure the price of your home is right. Pricing your home correctly is crucial when selling without a realtor. Do your research on comparable properties in your area to determine what's a fair market value. You can use online tools for this or consult a professional appraiser for an accurate assessment. Pricing too high might scare away buyers, while pricing too low, you might leave some money on the table. Tip three: market your home effectively. Next, you'll need to get the word out about your home. You can use online platforms for this. You can use social media. You can advertise locally to potential buyers. You'll want to make sure that your home listing includes high quality photos, a detailed description highlighting the unique features of your home and your property. You can also host open houses that can attract interested buyers and generate a buzz around the sale of your home. Tip four: negotiate like a professional. So, when you receive offers from interested buyers, it's then time to negotiate. You want to be prepared to counteroffer and consider all aspects of the deal, including the price, the closing date, and the contingencies. You'll want to stay firm on your bottom line while also remaining open to compromises that benefit both parties. If you need to, you can seek the guidance from a real estate attorney to make sure you have a smooth transaction. Now, while all of these tips can certainly help you sell your home without a realtor, you can do it on your own. It's also essential to consider the benefits of hiring a realtor. Realtors bring expertise, market knowledge, and negotiation skills to the table. They can handle all of the complexities of the selling process, saving you time, stress, and potentially even money in the long run. Plus, realtors have access to a vast network of buyers and resources to help you sell your home and help you make your home stand out in a crowded market. So, before you make a decision, weigh your options carefully. You may think and you may want to sell your home on your own without a realtor, and that's your choice. Whether you choose to sell on your own or enlist the help of a realtor, I'm here to support you every step of the way. If you found these tips helpful, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your home sales.